Hello everyone, good afternoon. Hello. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing good. Hello Mix, other stream. Welcome. Thank you for liking live. Hello guys. So hi Zed. Hello, good afternoon. So today I'll just be having a just a short stream because I have to get ready for work at around 4:30, 4:45. So I have like an hour to stream. So I probably just do my HSR dailies, and then afterwards I'll probably do my one round of Repel. If I finish it quickly, then I'll do like two rounds of it. Sige. So yeah, I wasn't able to what do you call that to stream last yesterday because I woke up at around 2 o'clock, 2:30. Well, today I woke up at around 3. No, I woke up around 1 or 1. No, 1:30 p.m. So I woke up a bit earlier. I got a bit more. I was able to wake myself up a bit earlier, so I was able to stream right now. So yeah. Okay, so far I'm enjoying my time in the call center. So far it's not that hectic for now. 2 AM ka nagising? No, 2 PM, sorry. I woke up at around 2 PM because my well, it's not like a lot in my a lot of time in my body clock changed since even before I just slept at around 5 AM, 6 AM, in a good day probably 4 AM, 3 AM. So I didn't have to do a lot of adjusting when it comes to my schedule or my sleeping schedule. Okay lang yata sa pahinga ka. Yeah, kasi since we don't use well, we have an option actually. We can do a 30-minute break after our lunch, or we will continue, or we'll use that break as an early out. So rather than going out for at around 5 a.m., um which is actually our official out, we go out at around 4:30 a.m. So I arrive at my house at around 5:30 to 6. So yeah. And since we already got our ID uh last night, I don't have to log in every time in the lobby. So I can just go straight to the elevators. So yeah. Mix, thank you for sharing on live. Thank you. It's not exactly a mock call, but last night we did a one-on-one, and we had to do the a verification call with a certain scenario that was given by RTL. Hello Maze, welcome to the stream. Welcome. I don't even know why I'm wait. I think the call center thing is getting into me because I didn't even notice I was speaking English right now. Sorry guys, sorry. Di ko napansin. Dire-diretso lang akong dala ng dala dito, putang ina. Nawala sa isip ko nga pala na sa streaming. I mean to be fair, it's okay naman din kasi I get to practice my English and whatnot. But yeah, I guess my only problem right now is I don't have that much money yet since I'm only given an allowance, and our first salary is around going to be around the second half of the month. So it's still quite a bit of a long time before I can get my salary. Hello, Gojo, and welcome to the stream. Welcome. How was your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. But in all honesty, uy, balo tayo sa SAT. Sure, I don't mind. Just give me a time, okay? I, I, okay. In all honesty, I think streaming actually made me feel more comfortable taking a call center job because at least I have experience in talking to other people, and And since I also have a dual monitor and we have a dual monitor in our production floor, I'm also used to having two monitors in front of me. Miss ka ng bumaral? Sure, 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 sure. I probably can't play like even on my own time. I feel like I can't play Valorant on my on the weekdays. So it's just probably me going to play Valorant on the weekends. Just give me a time. Nakita mo na ba yung Farnat? Yes, Vix actually sent it to me na. She also sent me. Wait. Sorry. Vix, just a question. Are you? What pronouns do you use? Sorry, I assumed. Don't worry, weekends lang din ako pwede. Sure. Okay. Wait. I'll just use day for now. So they already sent me uh the fan art. They also storied it, and they also sent me a birthday greeting, which I did have. Sorry, mix, but I did have a hard time reading it since I was not only was I on the way to work that time, the font was too small. So yeah, but I was able to at least decipher it a bit. So what else do I? Okay lang yan dapat sa DC ko yun is-send. I mean, it's okay. You should have added me on my DC. It's people are okay. Yeah, I'm alright with people adding me on my Discord. As long as y'all don't spam me shit, I guess. Now what was I supposed to do? Alright. The trace materials for Cyrene because I'm planning on getting her as well. Ay. Also fun fact, I also got my locker alongside my ID last night, so I don't have to bring I don't have to bring a lot of items there. I already left my scarf last night there. And I'm not well. Like, you know what? I'll just call her a coworker. A coworker of mine told me if I know Attack on Titans, which I said I do know it, but I don't watch it. She told me that my scarf reminded her of Mikasa because it was a red scarf, and apparently I wore it the same way as Mikasa did in Attack on Titans. Invite mo ba si Mix sa server mo? I mean, if she wants to, she's very welcome to join the server. The server code is on top of the chat box on the right side of the screen. Bakit ko ulit sa TikTok habang nagsasend ng pics? Yeah, that's why I prefer sending it in Discord or whatnot. I don't like. No, actually, I think I haven't sent a picture in TikTok yet. Hi, just go. Thank you for liking the live, Gojang. Thank you. This is going to be an hour stream ngayon. Ano pa ba kailangan ko gawin dito, Putex? I already did that. I think yun lang naman ata. Tama ba? Wait, is my music too loud ba? Okay. Tapos sunod lang ako mag-join, tinatamad pa ako. Go lang, no problem. Wait, I'll just lower thank you for the live, Gojang. Thank you. Okay, I think yun nga lang yung need kong gawin dito. I still haven't tried yung i-3 stars yung isang endgame dito. Tinatamad pa akong gawin. And medyo matagal-tagal pa naman yun. So, sunod na lang ako no, never mind. I already read that. Fries of Hiroshima, welcome po. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. Okay. Wait, let me just record this one. Because I do like recording my daily jades and ticket count. Just so I can keep track of it. Where is my note? There we go. Mr. Stark, welcome to the stream. Welcome. How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. Why is my phone lagging right now? I okay. Lazed, hello. How are you? I'm doing good. I woke up at around 1:30 p.m. Earlier, so I was able to keep myself awake before work. It's fine except sa part na drain phone ko. By drain your phone, does it mean like your phone ran out of battery, or is it like uh your phone degraded? Why is my phone lagging? Zero. Ah, okay. Then what are you using right now? If that's the case. Why is my notes oh, for fuck's sake, my phone is lagging. Wait, I'll just start that. I'll just open my browser real quick. Also, just a story, but since I go out at around 6 p.m., I arrive at the area of my work at around 6, around almost 7. So I still have 1 hour to spare, or like around 30 to 45 minutes. So, and since there's a mall nearby, I always go to that mall, and I always uh, go around that mall and look at things that I plan on buying. I like yesterday I went out. I went uh, to Power Mac, and I asked like how much is the installment for the iPhone and whatnot, because I guess it's just like a way of me finding a, what do you call that, the motivation to still continue working, because like I already added some things in my cart, like a tumbler, um a hooded blanket, since I see a lot of people in the prod floor wearing that. I what else did I have? I also plan on buying a lunch box that's a bit smaller. Not because I'm trying to control my portions, but it's because I want to fit it on my bag. Hindi ko pa, my phone, because I'm charging it lost, is 4%. Ah, okay, okay. PNP, welcome. Hindi ko pa alam gender ko, dead, her, not. Okay, so, I guess refer to you as, I'll refer to your pronouns as they, like, if that's, um, if that's alright with you. Happy Shimmy Lazay, I'm gonna go not church practice. Okay, okay. Ingat, fries. Ingat, bye-bye. Sige, okay, okay. Thank you for correcting me on that part. Okay, I feel like I can do like 2 rounds of repo. I'll just quickly open up. I'll quickly open it up. Hello, Fat Doggy. So, Hiroshima ko. Let me just change this up. Repo. Yes, not them and check my niggas me. Okay, so wait, just a question. Does anyone in chat right now an iPhone user or something? I just need opinions on the phone, because if it's alright, I mean, of course it's an iPhone, it's alright. But my problem with it is know a lot of people have been talking about its battery and how it's like easily drained. So I I just wanted some actual opinions. If there are anyone in the chat using an iPhone. If not, then it's okay. Hello, Swanswall VA. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. What's that? Sorry, Android. Okay, it's okay. Look, I'm also using an Android. Okay. I just wanted to know um if there are anyone in the chat that uses an iPhone. Wait, what is this? Okay, that was like from before. Oh, no, no, but yeah, si Loxy to, pilitan ng kuya ko name ko. Okay, sorry. Uh, But yeah, hello Loxy, how are you? How's your afternoon? Hope you're doing good. And Izzy, welcome to the stream as well. Welcome, welcome. Diyan, chat mo lang ako mamaya for Roblox. Is he still at the stream? 내가 빠졌어 난 아니야 아니야 나처럼 돼 너처럼 돼. Repo, yes, I'm gonna play Repo. I'll try to go for like 2 rounds if I can, if not just 1 round. 멀어져 안 돼. 널 사랑해 안 돼. Real talk 눈물이 주룩주룩. I also have like a lot of plans for my first salary. I plan on getting what they call that. I plan on upgrading my GPU, although I'm planning on using an installment for that, which is ironic because I will be handling installments in the future. That's like my account in the call center. 난 잊겠어. 뜻대로 잘 안 돼. 뜻대로 잘 안 돼. 여전히 내 가슴이 흔들려. We just bring this as well. Just as an extra. What the fuck is going on? Never mind. What the fuck is wrong with you? Ingay mo, Diyos ko. Bahala ka na dito. Iwan na kita. Oh. Sa akin lang, bar nag-glitch avatar mo pag nagsasalita ka. No, is it like bobbing up and down or whatnot? If that's the case, then yes, it's supposed to happen. How's your first day, man? My first day is alright. We literally had 4 hours of break, 1 hour of waiting, and 1 hour of introductions, 1 hour of lesson, and the rest is what do you call that? Um uh how do you say that? Um um Observation, there we go. Daming pogi. I still haven't seen all of them, but so far, I guess decent looking. There are some. Fuck. Nag-reset si Toxo Kamenji. Wait, Mix, are you talking about like the green particles showing up while I'm speaking? Because if that's the case, those are leaves. That's an actual thing on my PNG. It's supposed to be like leaves falling down. That's what my artist did for that. Hello, Mirai Wakudoshima, welcome. How's your afternoon? If you're doing good. Thank you for like a live Luxy. Thank you. You gago. Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Putang ina. Restart tayo. Visit yun. Hayop yun. Tarantado yun. Yan. Ay, okay. Speaking of like, what do you call that? On the call center. It's always hilarious to me when like, let's say, the agent is talking with the customer. So like, okay, just for role play, y'all are the customers and I'm the agent. So I'm talking to you. So yada yada yada. I'm gonna pay. What do you call that? I'm inquiring about the installment and whatnot. But let's say are either an irate customer or you. I already said the instructions, but you still don't want to listen. So I will be the agents will be like, okay ma'am, I'm just gonna be putting you on hold. Put you on hold. Tang ina, pakabobo naman itong kausap ko. like like it's always hilarious to me whenever I observe the prod floor and they always do that because sometimes they will be like putting you on hold and then they will go to like to another person and they will just like talk with them for a bit before going back because it's like grabing tao to katabi ko na nga magulang ko nagmumura. Look, Luxy, we already know that I curse a lot. Also, Misty Wakanurishima, welcome. You should know by now that you shouldn't open my streams if you have anyone like a family nearby. That's on your part, not on me. Because I'm not going to change how I speak just because I'm a streamer. Mamaya ka natin, eh, babahala ka sa buhay mo. Hindi umalis ka sa stream ko. Basta ako, magmumura na mumura pa rin ako. Deadma. Deadma sa bashers. Baka lang yung ano dyan, frying pan. But, yeah, I can already see my future. A lot of the agents told me there that they used to be nice, but since starting the starting in call center, nawalan na sila ng bait. I didn't know how to like say it in English. So I just like said it in Tagalog. It's not like I'm not allowed to speak in Tagalog, but like, I look, I don't know why I'm still even speaking English right now. I mean, I guess it's practice, I guess. Because the problem with me is that I do stutter a lot. It's this fucking bitch. Oh, nasan yun? Okay, there we go. Boom. Kala ko kung saan napunta yun eh. There we go. Dead masapan. Okay, let's see if may ano doon sa taas. Hello man, I'm dead. Oh, Hiroshima, welcome. There's just one. Well, I mean, to be fair, it's a positive, but like to me, it's a negative. There's a lot of restaurants that are still open during graveyard shift. Like there's a Dunkin' Donut nearby, there's a Jollibee nearby, there's a McDonald's nearby, there's Starbucks, there's like a lot of coffee shops downstairs. There's also like 7-Eleven, Lawson, and whatnot. I feel like I'm going to be spending all of my salary just for eating. Especially on Dunkin' Donut because it's like one of my like chocolate butter is like one of my favorite there. It's a good thing they don't have Krispy Kreme there because literally if that might actually be um one of my favorite donuts, like the honey glaze there. But I mean 24 hours open dun. Yeah, I know. Huwag mo sabihin kung saan yun. Basta alam mo na yun. But yeah, I feel like I'll be spending a lot of money just because of eating. And yeah. Hello Marcos, Togoroshima, welcome. Let's put you here first. I'll care you. I wanna feel ya. I wanna love you. Okay, let's get you. Ah! Ay! Yawa! Ayan, ganyan ka. Ingat, wag kang sasobra. Yes. And that's, although I do use the coffee vending machine a lot. Hello, Asmit. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Jesus Christ, that actually did that actually did scare me a bit. Then I finally got to go to your live. Hello, Simon. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. How have you been? It's been a while. Well, unfortunately, it's just going to be a short live since I'm about. Simon, I already started my training on work, so I don't have a lot of time streaming right now, and I also will be moving my streaming time to the afternoon. Secure your earnings. I mean, yeah, I know that. But I'm also like planning on. I already added the cart some things that I would plan on buying, like a tumbler, the hooded blanket, and whatnot. Because I mean, it's like an essential in the BPO industry. Because I see like a lot of people just like wearing a hooded blanket, and I was like, I want to ask them where did they buy it, and can they send me the link? Because it feels so comfortable. Like it looks comfortable. And then again, it's like cold on my area. Like I'm already wearing a not exactly a jacket. What do you call that? A sweater. I already wear a sweater. Although I am planning on changing it just because it's not only is it thin, I also use that what do you call that? That sweater a lot. So I don't want to leave that in my locker. So I'll see if I can find another sweater on my what do you call that? On my cabinet. I'll just go online in the afternoon. Where's Potato? She's probably busy or still sleeping. She's very active during the night, hence why she actually no, actually not that active on my stream. I'm she was literally the most active during the Tomodachi era of my streaming. But yeah, she's not that active in so, but we always do VC. Okay, Zed, I need to go now. Okay, okay. I hope you have a good day ahead of you. Simon, I hope you enjoy. Okay. Bagus Prima Yuliatra, Wakadushima welcome. I keep forgetting I don't have double jump. Okay, there we go. Why is there so many small items? What's this song? Candle Jelly Love by Oh Lovelies. Okay. Okay, you're getting a like. Lapit na mag 4 ho. I can end stream at like 4:30, no worries. Because after 4:30, I will be eating my lunch now. My actual lunch, and then afterwards I'm gonna go take a shower and then put on whatever. Grab a charge muna. Okay, okay. Take your time. Go, ano, Jang. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you, thank you. Na-enjoy ko Tili at Mura. Well, expect a lot of that, especially in Valorant. I swear a lot on Valorant. Actually, no. Wait. I do swear a lot in Valorant and in this on this game, which is funny because like during I think the start of this year or like around April or May. No, around I think that it was around April. It's like I always play these games back to back. Like I'll play Repo first, and when I get absolutely rage baited in this game, I switch to Valorant to only be rage baited even more. Normal, yes, yes, this is normal in my streams. Huh. Hello, Nerol Santanel. Welcome to stream ako. Welcome. Surprisingly, I'm very talkative right now. I don't know why. Hello, Irrevent Ash. Welcome to stream ako. Welcome. How are you? How's your afternoon? Hope you're doing good. Yeah, I don't know why, but I'm very talkative right now. Then again, it's probably the what do you call that? The coffee that I've drank earlier because I've been drinking a lot of coffee earlier. Like it's my lifeline right now. Hyper na siya. I mean, not exactly. Because I was like when I woke up earlier, it's like I still feel heavy. Like my eyes still felt heavy. So I was like, should I sleep more or whatnot? But since ah, but I replied to someone earlier, and because of that, I couldn't what do you call that? I couldn't fall asleep again. I was like, you know what, fine. I'll just keep myself awake now. And yeah, it's the reason why I was even able to stream right now because I woke up a bit earlier. Granted, I did go home a bit earlier compared to last night. Hey, there's a basket square there. I can say it's a basketball because it's a square. I really need the double jump. Jesus Christ. Okay, there's you know what? I'll take the airplane here. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. I'll put this. I'll put these items back at the extraction point. It's my birthday today. Happy birthday, CLS! Happy birthday! I hope you enjoy your day right now. Okay. Thank you for like a live. So should I call you CLS or Oblivion? Putang ina mo, hayop ka, tarantado, tang ina mo. Visit. Sorry. Ah, it's me, V. Oh, V, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Sorry, I don't like whenever y'all like change your name, please do tell me. Just so just so I know who you are. Because I would legitimately just assume that you're a you're a new person. May nangasar sa akin kahapon, nagda-drawing ako ng avatar mo. Alright, I forgot you were streaming yesterday. Okay, so what were they teasing you about, if you don't mind me asking? You'll be familiar with the name Oblivion. I mean, like, I didn't know that you were V, so because encountered people like with a completely different name and they were like, do you remember me? Like, no, I don't remember you. And then they will give me a name, and I'm like, how am I going to remember you? That's like a different name from your current one. Asmit, thank you for the gift. Thank you so much. Very much appreciated. Thank you. And thank you for like a live as well. How's your afternoon? Tinanong nila kung jowa ba kita, asawa, ex. Sinabi ko hindi kasi isang araw pa lang kita nakakilala. Grabe naman sila, Diyos ko. And plus, I'm trying to find a boyfriend on my work. So yeah. I mean, so far I mean, it's like my second day, third day if you all include the orientation. But yeah. Hello, K gamers, Mother Shim. Welcome. How's your afternoon? Hope you're doing good. There's a cosmetic up here. I don't have double jump. Shit. Okay. You know what? Bread. Yes, I like bread. I was about to say something, but I will not say it. For once, I'm not like in that certain type of mood. I don't know why. Tapos sabi ko din birthday mo kaya gift ko yun sa'yo. Oh, then what did they say? Anything up here? For fuck's sake, there's a lot of small items here. I shall move this here so I can just drop it. There we go. Ah, Shibal. Ayun. Yun, shoot. Baka crush mo yan. Sabi ko, ha? Lord have mercy. Hindi. But this shoot pa din siya. Anywhere else? Can I even go up there? No, I cannot. So let's continue. Yawa. Ah, uh, like, bro. I look. I also don't know why, but like, I don't. People are like easily teasing other people just because they interact with a certain person. Like, I don't know why people are like that. Ay, bobo! Napaghalataan akong bottom dun ha, hindi marunong mag-shoot. Tapos nung nag-horror part na, Nagtanong anong balita. Wow, grabe. Hello Kazuta, Hiroshima, welcome. Sabi ko nagustuhan niya naman yung gift ko. And then let me guess, they proceeded to tease you once again. Uh, can I even fit the cart there later? You know what? Pipilitin. Pipilitin. I don't know why, but here in Repo, I like to put a lot of these small items at the first extraction first. Sabi ko sorry, I thought you sent another message. Handa ko, stream ako. Welcome to the stream. How are you? Sa afternoon, if you're doing good. Sabi na, congrats. Shoota. When in doubt, do the American way. Sabi ko, ano ba, tigilan niyo ako. Honestly speaking, I would actually be irritated if people kept, like, teasing me like that. Hello, Kawarushi, welcome. How are you? Sa afternoon, if you're doing good. I really hope there's an indestructible drone next round. On the shop next round. Because I really, really need it now. Now, who's this bitch with the 200 health? Ngayon ako na sila hanggang sa nag-ML ako dun nilabas. Dun na lang naglabas ng galit. Oh my gosh, there's a fucking baby. Can I even drop the cart? Is the cart even visible from here? Hello, where's the cart? Oh, it's fucking inside. Great. Sabi ko rin sa kanila, I'm older than you. Okay. My god, there's another... Oh, okay, I didn't lose any health from that. Wait. You're actually older than me? Come on, please. Yeah, oh, okay. Hindi lang halata sa boses ko. I haven't heard your voice, so I also don't have any basis on whether you're young or old. Jowa, okay lang yan, bata tawag nila sa akin. Just go. Don't tell me even your height is like, even being considered like childlike. I still have a lot of energy left. Depende. Well, if you don't mind me asking, what's your height? Ay, nabawasan pa ako dun. Yeah. There's another thing up there nga pala. Is it? Sometimes Maya. There's a mina. Wait. Let me just see my phone real quick. 65%, okay. Hindi ko narinig. What do you mean by hindi mo narinig? Ay, yawa! Hello, Mashallah, Rishim of welcome. How are you? So, after doing good. Ayo, yung tanong mo. I also forgot my question. What was it? No, I think it's about your height. Thank you for like a live. Wait. Question: should I call you Chris or Matcha or Matza? Is now. Hello V. Welcome back. Welcome back. Mga 5'3". Okay. I am a bit taller than you. I'm 5'4". Eh. Unfortunately, I'm 5'4". I want to be taller, but like my growth spurt already stopped. So, iyak na lang. Iyak ka eh. Wah. It's like a bit of a tangent, but the growth spurt ends at around 18. 18 for guys, 16 for female. Like that, can't handle it. Ha ha ha. Do say la la la. M-I-N-Z-Y, M-I-N-Z-Y, yes. But your ball, let's go. Okay lang yan. At least matangkad ka sa akin. No, what's more important is that I know how to wear heels. So, may pambawi naman. I really need to buy a new mouse. Jesus Christ. Not only does it double click, it also like sometimes it's just detaches. Wah. Wala akong pake sa height ko actually. Sana all. I do. Ay, just go. Buti na dito na tayo na mahulog ka na. You know what? Extra ko na nga. You know, kind of mean like bang, 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 a bang, bang, a bang, ha, ha, ha. Say la, la, la. You know, M-I-N-Z-Y, M-I-N-Z-Y, yes. Pat your paw, let's go. Tangarewayo, 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 Iroke and Tangarewayo. Ayan, pwede pala itayo eh. Diba? Ang galing ko kasi magpatayo. Charot, charot. Charot ba't na charot? Eh, 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 Importante na untog ako importante na untog ako sa jeep sa tricycle para sa akin yun. Fair enough. Tangarewayo, hello Jenny, welcome. Wayo, tangarewayo, tangarewayo, irake e, tangarewayo, 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 irake e. Ay, gago. Masyado pala ako malapit. Ah, fish, daming pera. Sana sa totoong buhay din. Putang ina, ito na naman tong matang to. Visit. Ooh, oh, yeah. Oh, so wonderful. So, 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 so wonderful. Anjana, so, so wonderful, wonderful. Namja, namja, 사랑해 주쳐라, 너를 남자. 미라야, 사랑해 주쳐라야, 나주도라도, 나주도라도. Okay, honestly, one of like my most favorite latest codes titles is this one, which is apparently one of the like not one of the. It's actually their most hated title track. So 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 wonderful. Anjana so so wonderful wonderful. 지점자 나라라라 남자 사랑해 줬잖아 나를 잃었던 남자 So 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 wonderful 언제나 so so wonderful wonderful 진 남자 나라라는 남자 사랑해 줬잖아 putang ina 짠짠짠 I'm not known for parkour unfortunately ayun Chaya, 아직도 그래. putang ina. Wala naman ata sa labas eh. 미쳐야 나는 미쳐야 알아야 알아채는 뜻을 넣어줘야 사랑이란 걸 나는 몰랐어 너를 싶어요 너무너무 싶어요 언제나 so so wonderful wonderful ayos ka please ayun. Hello, Miss No Shares Marushima. Welcome. How are you? Also, afternoon, if you're doing good. So, 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 so wonderful. Anjana, so, so wonderful, wonderful. 나를 준 남자, 사랑해주잖아. 너를 잃었던 남자. Please don't stop the music. 나를 바라봐줘가. Get up, get up. Sana makapaglaro kami mamaya kasi mahirap ako i-contact minsan kapag naglalaro ko. Bigla may mag-uutos. Ano kayo ni Gojam? 저 남자, 나를 던 남자, 사랑해줬잖아. 너를 잃었던 남자. So, 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 so wonderful. 언제나 so, so wonderful, wonderful. 어떤 남자, 너를 잃던 남자, 사랑해줬잖아. 너를 잃었던 남자. Oh, Roblox daw kami mamaya, yung Save the Infected. I'm not familiar with any Roblox game, so yeah. I don't play it actually. I avoided like the plague. No offense, but like, yeah. Pero, may ano pala dito. Sabi ko sana blower. Ano to? Yung ano, um, kaya mo to, Zed. Blender, ayun. Yun, 9 to 10 p.m. daw. Oh, I'm at work by then. So, Blender na may pera sim. Napa. Putex, bali. There we go. Legend me wrong. Apa. Napa. Legend to you to wake me up. Pew pew. Boom. Yes. Magre-recharge ka lang ako ng mga ano, barrel. Napa. You don't to wake me up. Need ko na talaga ng trunk gun pati indestructible drone. Kaya unfortunately mukhang mag-iisang round lang ako ngayon. Okay na din yan. Napa. Each and it that wake me up. Napa, napa. Each and it and wake me up. Tignan ko na ba dito sa taas? I don't think I have. Hello, Zai. Welcome to Shima. Welcome. How are you? How's the afternoon? I hope you're doing good. Okay. I miss listening to Girls' Generation songs, to be honest. Tada. Sengake. Nahulog pa nga yung ano. Sige, bababa ko muna tong mga ano. Golden Orb. Pa-music ah. I am ah. Wait, is my music not being heard? Echoes, natin maksari ba na sakto. Di ko narinig. Oh, it's so it means it's solo. Okay. There we go. Is it much more audible now? It's been like I always have music on my streams. It's just not heard in the VODs. Is it now audible now? Balik ako. Okay, okay. Hello, Kylie. Welcome. Barangay. Ayun. Gin and Anna. Up to the 여기에 저기에 딴딴딴 말들이 너의 목소리 안 나봐줄 때 삐졌나 like mahina lang pala siya kanina. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit lowered earlier. Because it doesn't help that it's actually lowered on my part since I'm playing. I want to hear my surroundings. I can't find others. How did I miss this? What? Okay, that's 900 left. I know I'm not gonna find it na. Good, other hands up. Put your hands up. 너의 목소리가 나 작게 삐졌나 like 내가 쓰고 있는데 바보를 왠데 like okay lang. Hello, Dark Alteration. The sheep! Welcome to the sheep! Putang ina mo. Sorry. Alam mo ako kumakanta ng walang music. On the VOD sa YouTube, it does sound like that since I don't have the music recording on my VODs, but on stream it's on actually. Echo. 너의 스리스야 두두두두두바. Echo. Echo na. Okay, okay. Hello, kayo ng Order Shima. Welcome. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. Di ko na hanapin yung 900 na yan. Bahala niya sa buhay niya. After wala akong setup eh. Isang device ang gamit ko kapag mag-stream and music at ano. I'm guessing it's you're using your phone. Yep. I mean, you can play your music while what do you call that? While streaming. Okay, I'm just gonna buy some things on the shop then. Ilang percent na 'to? 78% oh, kaya 'to. Pero nagla-lag daw stream ko sa kanila. I mean, it really just depends on what kind of phone you're using, on like what device. I do not like the things in this shop. I'll save scum. Single player, load save. I'll try to find the, what do you call that? The indestructible drone. I'll save scum till I find it. Oh shit! There's a shotgun, but I need the indestructible drone more. I'm sorry. That's like my favorite weapon in the game. 2 minutes na lang. I mean, I don't have to end at like exactly 1 hour. I'll can end it like a, a bit longer than that, but not like an hour and 30 minutes, something like that. I'm still gonna save scum till I find the, what do you call that? The indestructible drone, which I desperately need. There's another shotgun and there's even a trunk gun, for fuck's sake. But I need the trunk, not the trunk, the indestructible drone for the for the, so I don't destroy the large items. Hello, Xylo, Hiroshima, welcome. There we go. All those, okay, we also have the feather drone, but we don't have the the shotgun or a trank gun. Ano ba yan? Well, you can't have the best of both worlds, I guess. I mean, bawi na lang siguro sa sa tawag na to, upgrades. 14, 14, 11. Okay, get this. There's no choice. Is it too long to put it on? Kung kailan meron na wala yung iba, kaya nga eh. Mas importante sa akin yung kasi, yung indestructible drone. Kasi para sa mga large items din yun eh. Okay, let's claim the cosmetics. Ako po, magiging Pinocchio ako. Hindi, big pala yan. Magiging chika pala ako, charot. Hello, Scarlett, ang regime ako. Welcome, how's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. Ano yan? Arm sleeves? This, kahit wala man lang din isang part, ano ba yan? 사람 때문에, 때문에, 울지 않을래. Wow, wow. Let's get one of that, and one of this as well. Ano yung speed ko? Isa? Rihanna, boy, I wanna be aware. La 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 la. But you know the one to go. go. I'll hear it. 나 돌다 돌아봐. 눈을 뜨려서 널 본다면 들을 도스를 동쳤는데 들을 들을지로 쟤 너를 또 다르러 가려 해. Oh, woo. We don't have double jump pa, putex. 너희가 사랑 때문에 눈썹 때문에 너지 않을래. Wow, wow. I guess we can get one range. Yeah. Na 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 na. Hello, Falia. Wonder mo from. What can I drop? Ito na lang. Yeah, sige. Is there anything else here? 5, 10, 8, 12, 11. Naantok na naman ako. Huwag kang mag-alala, pwede kayo matulog after ito at ako'y mag-end stream na. Ibibilin ko lang to. Voyage land. Hello, Falia. I wonder mo ko lang. This afternoon, if you're doing good. Baka magpwede ako sa gabi ulit. Ayun lang. Kaya ayoko din natutulog ako sa hapon eh. La 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 la. It's the voyage land. Na 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 na. Ah, okay, that's enough for today. I'm gonna get ready for ano na. No, I'll eat first before I get ready for work. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for staying on the stream. Thank you, especially Mix, for staying. I think it's the start actually. So thank you for interacting. Thank you to everyone who liked, everyone who shared, everyone who gifted. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all of your support. I hope all of you have a good day and night ahead of you. Okay. All right then. Bye bye, everyone. Good afternoon. Bye bye.